Hello, my name is Giuseppe, and this very short video I hope to demonstrate how to make a watermark that you can use repeatedly. Becomes a brush. To begin with, we go to File, and we want to create a blank file. Okay, the name we'll call it is just call it our watermark for this demo. Custom is fine. Size none is fine. 1000 by 200 designates the size of our white box that it will be that we're going to type on, and that needs to be pixels. So 1000 by 200 gives us a decent size for just most any watermark we'd want to type. 200 for resolution is fine. White for the background is fine. So hit OK. We've got the area to type on, but first we need our text frame. So we go over on a text tool and select it and make our frame inside the white box here. And now we can type. I'll show you a little trick. If you want to use the copyright symbol before your statement that you're going to make, simply hold down the Alt key and over on the number pad type 0169. That gives you that ASCII combination to print the copyright symbol, and then type what you'd like to have for your identification and hit the OK. Alright, now we need to select this entire white box. The Command or Control A does that. Now we see the marching ants around it. So if we go up to Edit, select Edit and move on down to Define Brush from Selection. What that's going to do is create our watermark brush that we can use time and time again. Click on that and it shows the name that we gave it. Hit OK. At this stage we've created the watermark. It's in the brush list down there. We can delete this. Okay. Now to use the watermark, I'll open a picture, any picture, bring up one here. Alright, to make it so that we can manipulate the watermark, we need to go over on the Layers panel over here on the right, clear up to the top here and select Create a New Layer. Now, the watermark will go on the layer, but it'll show up, of course, on the picture. Now we go over to the brush on the tools list over here, select the brush tool, and the watermark you created always positions itself last in the list of your brushes. So it's down here, the one we called our watermark. I'll click on that, and now it's wherever we want to place it. We can go over here. The color boxes are set black on top of white, so that tells us that the watermark will be black. If we reverse that, the watermark would be white, or if we double click on the color box, bring up the color selection, we could choose even a different color. Right now we'll just do the black, put it right there on that orange, and if you want to manipulate that further, you got to go to the Move tool over here on the left, right here, click on that, and it puts the adjustable bounding box around your watermark, and there you can move it from there, or you can make it larger, smaller, however you want to do. If you should want to make it less visible, you can go up on the Layers panel over here to Opacity and reduce the opacity, make it there but not quite so much in their face. That's options you can decide on. When you have it like you want it, you simply click the green arrow, click off of the image, and your watermark is there. Next time you want to use it, all you need to do is go over to the brush option, bring up the brushes, and there it's still right there. I believe that pretty much takes care of that. If you want to eliminate the brush from your picture, you can simply delete that right there, bring it up to the trash bin. If you want to make any other adjustments, you can do so by going to the move tool. Basically that's it. You can move this, by the way, wherever you want to by going in between, pretty much on the center of that, and move it. It's a little tricky to get right where you need to get. Obviously that's not, we don't want to do that. I'm trying to show you that if we get on the center there, you can move. And it's a little tricky, but anyway, once you do, you can move it around wherever you want to position it. You can turn it sideways however you want to position it, or you decide you want it gone, go over here in the layers panel, just simply drag this up to the trash. Well, that pretty well shows us how to make a watermark. Want to use it next time, go to the brush, look at the brushes, click on the one you want, and place your watermark. That's about it. Pretty easy to do, and it's very handy. My name is Giuseppe, and thank you for watching this video.